Looking through the junk drawer, searching. Somewhere there's a lighter lurking.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. For my new subscribers, for my new supporters, thank you for subscribing to this channel. You are welcome to the Best of Family. Yeah. And for my returning viewers that always check on your baby girl, thank you for your support. I really love you all. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up to join this amazing family of us. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to prepare all-purpose stew that can go on with your semo, with your rice, with your spaghetti, anything at all. So I'm trying to remove all the fat from this body. Yeah, you can add any protein you want: fish, meat, body, shaki, gbagba, fuku, anyone at all. Yeah, so I'm trying to cut my meat, and I always love to parboil a body. Any now meat, I always love to parboil it, then I'll now cook it. Let me leave you guys to watch it, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, help me to share it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching. Somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14 birthday candles. I came across a bag of knickknacks, orphaned screws, expired Tic Tacs, and a key from long ago. Is it from my house when I was growing up, and you were always showing up and throwing little pebbles at my window? I would tiptoe down the stairway, past my parents where they were drifting in the land of Nod. And I'd go out, sneaking through the side door. I would plant a little fairy kiss there upon your cherry lips, and I held your freezing hands. Our love was still so very new, but I knew that I would marry you. You've always been the key to open me. Was it our apartment by the bakers when you were pushing papers and I was working second shift? At times you barely saw me, but we always had our coffee on the balcony with a morning kiss. And then at night, I'd stumble in exhausted. I would crawl in bed and snuggle you. We'd mash up like a W with angles all aligned. Even when my back was hurting me, we always fit so perfectly. You've always been the key to open me. Was it our bungalow in Findlay with a picket fence and chimney and a garden full of pretty weeds? You were in your third trimester with cravings that would fester until you filled the need. So it's out the door for pickles and Doritos. Another midnight run for groceries. I fumble for my pants and keys, but I was glad to do it. You were sailing through the troubled seas to find the final puzzle piece. You've always